In this video, I want to show you how to solve the problem of your WhatsApp not updating or refusing to be installed on your PC. I will show you the problem and also show you the solution. For example, if I launch my WhatsApp, trying to launch it, you can see it brings this notification: updates required. Please update to the latest version of WhatsApp. This version has expired. If I click on updates, it will start to attempting to download the updates. So it brings this one: download and install updates now. I click on OK. When I click on OK, it brings this notification again as if it is downloading, but this takes forever without downloading. Then I try to go to Microsoft Store. So go to Microsoft Store, click on it. This is it. This open the Microsoft Store. Then come to this search bar and search for WhatsApp. Here is it. When I click on WhatsApp, then immediately it starts to attempt to prepare to download the app. But unfortunately, this also takes forever without downloading or installing. Then if I come to this download, then here you can see that WhatsApp is showing downloading. You can see here, but this took several hours without downloading, even though it's showing some percentage, but it never download. So if I go back here, you can see preparing to download. This took several hours without downloading. So if you're having this problem, I want to show you how to solve it. Then I took another step, going online and download WhatsApp. Here I click on download. Then when it opens this page, I click on download to download the installer. You can see the download is done. Then I open the installer location, and here is it. So I double click to launch the installation. Then it attempts to install it and check for updates. It brought this notification for me to update. So I click on updates, starting to download, but this also took forever without downloading or installing. So if you're having this problem, here is the solution. This is how I solve it. Then go back and uninstall WhatsApp from your PC. Right click and click on uninstall. Click uninstall. So after uninstalling it, then restart your system. You will need to restart your system after uninstalling it. Then once your system has restarted, go back to Microsoft Store. Here is it. Click on Microsoft Store to launch it. And when it opens, come to this search app bar and search for WhatsApp. Then click on WhatsApp, and here it will start to gather information about WhatsApp, preparing to download, and in few seconds the download will start. Yes, you can see it has downloaded and started installing. So if you are having this challenge, this is the solution. You need to uninstall and start afresh. So if I click on open, you can see it's launching my WhatsApp, and you can see click on get started. Then it will load this barcode. Then open your phone and launch WhatsApp on your phone. Then click on these three dots and click on link devices. Click on link a device. Then put your camera straight to capture the barcode. You can see it has started to log in my PC. Yes, I'm logged in now. My WhatsApp is now working perfectly on my PC. You can see it. So if you are having challenge in updating your WhatsApp, or you are unable to install WhatsApp, So follow these steps to be able to install or update your WhatsApp on your PC. Thank you for watching.